Today, we're diving deep beneath the forest floor into one of the most secretive and lucrative food industries on Earth, an industry built on rarity, obsession, biology, and mystery. An industry where a single pound can cost more than gold. This is the world of truffles. Truffles have long been synonymous with wealth, power, and culinary prestige. They are not just food, they are status. A symbol of refinement, exclusivity, and access to something most people will never touch. But why? What makes this knobby, unassuming fungus worth thousands of dollars per pound? To understand that, we first have to understand what truffles actually are. Unlike mushrooms that grow above ground, truffles grow entirely underground, forming a complex symbiotic relationship with the roots of specific trees like oak, hazelnut, and beech. This relationship, known as mycorrhizal symbiosis, is delicate, unpredictable, and extremely difficult to replicate at scale. That alone makes truffles rare, but rarity is just the beginning. Truffles only grow in very specific soil conditions, climates, and ecosystems. Even in the right region, there is no guarantee they will appear. A forest that produces truffles one year may produce nothing the next. Nature decides. Humans can only hope. And among all truffles, two varieties dominate the luxury market. The first is the legendary white truffle from Alba, Italy. Intensely aromatic, fragile, and impossible to cultivate reliably, white truffles are harvested only for a short season each year. They cannot be farmed the way mushrooms can. Every white truffle is a gift, or gamble, from the earth. The second is the black truffle from Périgord, France. Slightly more durable but no less prized, black truffles have become the backbone of high-end European cuisine. Even these, however, take years to grow and require precise environmental balance. Finding truffles is where the real industry begins. Because truffles grow underground, humans can't simply spot them. Instead, they rely on animals trained to detect their powerful aroma. Traditionally, pigs were used, drawn naturally to the scent. But pigs had one major flaw: they loved eating the truffles. Today, trained dogs are the gold standard. These dogs can take years to train, and their handlers often guard their techniques like trade secrets. A skilled dog can locate truffles buried more than a foot underground, but even then, the process is slow, labor-intensive, and physically demanding. Each truffle must be carefully unearthed by hand. One wrong move can damage it, instantly reducing its value. There are no machines, no automation, no shortcuts. In an age of industrial farming, truffles remain stubbornly analog, and that labor adds up. By the time a truffle reaches a high-end restaurant, it has passed through harvesters, distributors, inspectors, and auction houses. Every step increases its price. Every gram matters. Then comes demand. Top chefs around the world compete fiercely for truffles. Michelin-starred restaurants plan entire menus around them. Diners are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for a single dish topped with shaved truffle. This isn't just about taste. It's about experience, exclusivity, and storytelling. And truffles deliver something few ingredients can: transformation. A simple plate of pasta, eggs, or risotto becomes extraordinary with a few thin shavings. Truffles release volatile aromatic compounds that interact with heat and fat, flooding the senses. This is why truffle oil exists, why truffle fries exist, but also why most of those products are controversial. Because here's the darker side of the industry. Truffle fraud is widespread. Many products labeled truffle contain no real truffle at all. Instead, they rely on synthetic aroma compounds designed to mimic the scent. Some sellers pass off cheaper truffle species as premium varieties. Others sell old or poorly stored truffles at luxury prices. Because when a product is rare, mysterious, and expensive, deception thrives. Even experienced buyers can be fooled. That's why trust and reputation are everything in this industry. A single scandal can destroy a supplier overnight. Climate change is now adding another layer of risk. Rising temperatures, droughts, and soil disruption are threatening traditional truffle regions. Some areas that produced truffles for centuries are seeing declining yields. Meanwhile, experimental truffle farms are emerging in new countries, but success is inconsistent and quality varies widely. This means supply may shrink even further in the future, which brings us to the final question. Are truffles expensive because they're valuable, or valuable because they're expensive? The answer is both. They are biologically rare, environmentally fragile, labor-intensive to harvest, and deeply embedded in luxury culture. The truffle industry is a perfect storm of scarcity, craftsmanship, and desire.
A natural monopoly created not by corporations, but by nature itself. And that's what makes truffles one of the most fascinating products in the global food economy. Not just a delicacy, but a lesson in how value is created. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the hidden industries behind everyday, or not so everyday, products, you're in the right place. This is Industrium Secrets, where we uncover how the world really works beneath the surface. Subscribe and join us as we explore the machines, materials, and mysteries that power modern civilization.